Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is December 23rd, 2019. It's almost Christmas. It's almost the new decade. Today I'm going to be making a little update for you guys. I don't film working often, so I like to make these little updates so that you can see something is getting done. Filming working, it's just, there's a lot of dust flying around, the camera gets covered, but this it's easier to do. But there are going to be working videos coming out soon, because this thing, the bodywork's, it's almost done. But here's where we're at. These are the fenders from Jason, 5150. You can go check them out. There will be a link in the description and a card in the top right corner about now. These are from him, pretty awesome. They fit pretty well, you know, they're aftermarket, but they're vintage aftermarket. There's a price tag on this one, $33 when they were new. You know, there's a little fiddling with the bolt holes and stuff, but that's to be expected. They're not from Volkswagen, so I gotta fiddle with them a bit. Every car's a little different, especially when you replace a couple of the fender nuts. So here's where we're at. Paper thing is just to make sure the other quarter panel is the same, because I was having a little bit of an issue, but that's settled. Doing a little filler over here. This is not Evercoat filler, this is Bondo. I didn't want to wait for Evercoat to come in, because I'd have to go to an auto body supply shop or order online, and that takes a while. So doing a little on the door, doing a little down here, because I had to grind out there, because I was not happy with the previous filler I had done. This, all set. I like how this is done with that. Haha, you can't see, well you can see, I don't have any 22 gauge steel stuck in there anymore. I have, I'm using washers now. It looks way better. Like way better. Like you don't notice it, which is awesome. Front apron, haven't done anything there. I don't plan on doing anything else there. Maybe do a skim of the icing on the hood, because it's a little bumpy. You know, it's not a big deal, but it is a bit. This quarter panel, I will say, I did a terrible job replacing this panel. And it showed when I started doing filler. There's a little dent here, so that's all going to get sanded out pretty much. But this, now, I'm quite happy with it. Before, I was not happy at all with it. There's something over here that I have to fix. I don't remember where, which might mean I don't have to fix it if I can't see where it is. Interior. It was cleaner until some stuff got thrown in here. Interior is pretty much paint ready. Like I'm not priming the interior because it's all original paint. So I'm just going to scuff and shoot that. DIY Auto School did a whole series on scuff and shoot. And I'm pretty much just going to do that in here. I see no need to prime the interior. The heater channels are going to get primed though, because they were new. Back here at the rear apron, that is that's pretty much done. Don't need anything done to that. Engine is in a state of disrepair currently. It's not running. It was running. I'd like to get it running before I bring it to work to get painted. Jason might be bringing it to my job for me, so that'll be good. Make a video about that if that happens. But I'd like to get it running so that we don't have to push it in the paint booth and push it out of the paint booth and stuff. But you know, stuff's getting done. I'm not sitting here twiddling my thumbs and looking at the thing, thinking about how it's going to be shiny black paint and driving on the road sometime. It's a lot of work getting done. It's freezing most of the time though, which is why I've got that heater. I got a propane heater there I gotta get a propane tank for, and then I got another propane heater upstairs that I gotta get a propane tank for. I might not use that one. That one I got off the side of the road. needs a new hose and regulator. The one upstairs is brand new, so might do that. Right now, it's beautiful out. It's really nice. It's like 50 degrees. Really nice weather. Yesterday, it was freezing. The day before that, it was freezing. Last week, I believe it got to -1 with the wind chill. So, it sucked. And I was not out here working. Well, that's not true. I was out here working like one day for an hour or two last week, but it's cold. And it's better than being outside, but it's still cold. These parts are not for my car. I'll be selling those. If you need something, email me. It's in the About tab. Got a passenger side heater box, generator stand, something from a 71 Super Beetle, and some fan shrouds. Email me if you want them. I'll send you the price, and I can ship them if you pay for the shipping. But yeah, stuff's getting done, and that's what matters. Not just looking at the thing. Things are getting done. This is my single project. We're coming up on 4 years with it now. In a few days, it'll be 4 years I've had this vehicle. And, you know what? If I can get some photos from when I got it, I will post them in the video. Yeah, I'll try. I don't know. I'll try to do that. It did not look this is good compared to what it looked like before. It needed heater channels, rockers, not rockers. Thinking about the bus. It needed heater channels, quarter panels, wheelhouses, front and back, body mounts. Front apron needed repair. Under the hood needs repair still. I'm getting that from a friend. Need to talk to them about that. It needed the back fenders back then. You know, it's made a large amount of progress. But, you know, we're moving on. We're getting stuff done. It'll be in paint soon. I wanted to get it in paint before Christmas. That is obviously not going to happen since today's the 23rd. But, if I can make it to the April show in black paint with a seat or 2 seats, that would be nice. Doubtful, but nice. Hoping for Terryville if I can't get there in April. So, I'm going to end the video. Thank you guys for watching. All the new subscribers. Getting a lot of subscribers lately. We're over 700, maybe close to 750. I haven't checked. But it's really, it's motivation for me to keep making videos, guys. If you like the channel, if you like the videos, hit the subscribe button. Really, you don't have to ding the bell if you don't want to. But just a subscription really encourages me to keep making videos on this thing. And the bus when I get to that. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button. You know, subscribe like I just said. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.